Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you along with me as I create this super cute wooden name board. So I just start out with 3 boards that are unstained, untreated, and I use 2 wooden pieces to nail them together. You can also get them cut for you at your local hardware store. And then I stain it, and I've linked it in the description box below. And I'll measure before I cut my vinyl. So I used Oracal 651 for this project. My wooden board is 14 inches wide, so I'm going to cut 10 inches to give a little bit of space on each side. After I have my cut, I'll just cut away the rest of the vinyl to save for later. And for this project, I use the font Girlboss from creativefabrica.com, and I'll link it in the description box. I'll just peel away the excess vinyl, and then I'll weed the pieces away with my weeding tool. One tip that I like to give is that as I'm weeding, I'll stick the pieces on my hand as I go. They'll stick to each other, and then I'll discard them all at the end in one big piece. So now I'm ready for my second cut. It'll be the arrow at the bottom of the board. When I make my cuts, I don't try to measure out how much vinyl I'll use. I'll put the entire sheet on the mat, make my cuts, and then I'll trim away what I use and save the rest for later. So same with this cut, I'll peel away the big piece of vinyl and weed the small pieces with my weeding tool. Once I'm done, I'm ready for my transfer sheets, and I actually use contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I like the way that it's easy to burnish onto the vinyl. It's cheap and it doesn't have too strong of a hold. I use my scissor handles or my weeding tool to burnish, and just make sure you go over the entire design. Then I'll flip and carefully peel away the back. And now I'm ready to transfer the vinyl onto the sign. When I stain this sign, I let it cure for 24 hours before, and I didn't use any prep. I just laid the vinyl straight onto the board. So since I used Oracal 651, that's permanent vinyl. I won't have to put anything over to seal. It's just going to stick and it will hold. And I'll do the same with the arrow. I'll just burnish the contact paper onto it, use it for a transfer, and then stick and peel away. Now that I have my vinyl laid, I'm ready to do my flowers, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. I'll just pop one off, and then I'll cut the bottom of it to make a flat surface so I can hot glue it onto the board. So for the leaves, I just used some that I had sitting around the house. I'll lay the hot glue, stick the leaves in first, and then I'll lay the flower. And I'll use just a little bit of hot glue in between the petals to make sure we have a permanent hold. I love neutrals, but I did want to add just a little pop of color to make it a little bit more feminine. So I used a flower embellishment that I had from Hobby Lobby and just added it right into the center. And that's it, you guys. Now I'm finished with the wooden board. You can add some hanging hardware in the back and you're good to go. So thanks guys for watching. Like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. And until next time, thanks guys.